Hello everyone, Abdulkas here. This is the second video on how to play the piano for people in a hurry. Now, we learned in the first video about the shape of the keys. We said we have 2 black keys and 3 black keys, and we have white before the 2, white in the middle of the 2, white after the 2. In the 3 black keys, we have white before the 3, first white in the middle of the 3, and the second white in the middle of the 3, and the white after the 3. That's the shape of the keys. Now we want to discuss the name of these keys, all the individual name of the keys. Now, if you look at it, in piano, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So the ABC of piano stops at G and then continues again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. It's the same thing repeated. Each of those repetition is called an octave. So it means that if we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's 1 octave. Then the next A, B, C, D, E, F, G is the next octave. Next A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's the 3rd octave. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's the 4th octave. So it means we have octaves, octaves, octaves of the same thing, same name, same shape, but different pitch, in the sense that each octave has the higher pitch of the former octave. So it's just the pitch that is changing to a higher version of the same thing, but it's the same thing actually. So if you master the name of the keys in 1 octave, you have known it in all octaves. So let's start with A. Now the key of A is the second white key in the middle of the 3 black keys. The second white key in the middle of the 3 black keys. What will that key be? The key of B is the white key after the 3 black keys. The key of C is the white key before the 2 black keys. The key of D is the white key in the middle of the 2 black keys. The key of E is the white key after the 2 black keys. The key of F is the white before the 3 black keys. The key of G is the first white in the middle of the 3 black keys, and then followed by another A, which is the second white in the middle of the 3 black keys. So if you follow this arrangement, it means you have known the name of all the keys, at least all the white keys. Now for the black keys are named after the white keys. For example, if you have a key and you have a black key, immediately after that key, that black key is going to be called the sharp of that white key. That is it. So for example, this is the key of D. So this one will be the D sharp because it's the black key immediately after D. This is F, F sharp. This is G, G sharp. This is A, this is A sharp. It's just that simple. Any black key that is immediately after a particular white key, it is called the sharp of that white key. Then for flat, any black key that is before a white key is called the flat of that white key. So let's look at the key of D. D, the one after D, which is a black key after D, is D sharp, but the black key before D is called D flat. Now, but if the black key before D is called D flat, and the black key after any key is the sharp of that key, then it means this D flat is the same thing as C sharp, because C has the black on top of it, and that's C sharp, and then but that C sharp is the black before D, so that's D flat. So it means every black key has 2 names. It is the sharp of the key that is before it, and it is the flat of the key that is after it. So every black key has 2 names. So it means that this is A flat, but it is the same thing as G sharp. This is the end of today's lesson. I want you to memorize the name of the keys such that if I say F sharp, you know where it is because you know the shape. G, you know. D, you know. E, you know. F, you know. A, E flat, B flat, F sharp. You need to know the name of these keys. It will just take you memorizing the name. In some minutes, you can actually practice it. But if that is going to be a lot for you, why not take the whole day or 2 days? Why not take 3 days? Okay, let's even say 12 days. each day for one key, I mean, it will still be worth it for you, because the next video is going to be about scale, and that is going to be one of the most important that you need to know. But if you don't know the name of the keys, then you will start struggling with the scale. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.